Narcissists can also be very shrewd. Narcissists, there are things they may say they don't care about you without telling you they don't care. So what are these things? Welcome to part 19. 1, they are going to ignore your calls. That is, they won't respond to your calls or even your texts. When you are with them, they will be rolling their eyes. That will show dismissive and belittling you without speaking. Rolling their eyes. Be careful about the body language when you are with a narcissist. That they will walk away mid-conversation. That means they don't value what you are saying. Please understand this type of behavior. 4th is silent treatment. That is to show that you are insignificant. You talk, and they don't respond. You ask a question, they don't answer because they are superior. They will be very happy when you are absent. They enjoy your pain. They will laugh. They will become excited. They are happy when you are unhappy. When you plan to meet, they don't show up because they don't respect your feelings and your time. They don't care, or they cancel the appointment last minute. Finally, when you are talking with them, they will be busy looking on their phone while you are talking. Your words don't matter to them. Their phone is very important. These are the points which you should be careful when you are dealing with a narcissist. They will tell you they don't value you, but they will not say a word. Thank you very much for enjoying this video from A Moment with Lukwago. Thank you.